There's two guys out at due west. Looks like they're going out to the fields more. Well, and I fucking clipped the top of that goddamn water tower.
Maybe you was thirsty.
Well, he's fucking thirsty now. He just lost a lot of blood with those double compound fractures.
Bloodthirsty.
Yeah, I don't know. You drink enough blood, it's gonna make you gag. You're bloodthirsty. Thirsty for a fucking food and pop.
There are two helmet on me.
Tonight, I'll be eating chicken tikka masala with garlic naan.
We're gonna have people pushing down this way here real soon. I'm gonna try swimming across after we get some loot here.
A win again. Patrick. That's Sir Patrick.
Barrel.
Fucking food and pop.
The Vladimir Putin.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
He makes delicious energy drinks.
You got poo-poo here?
Old tootin' Putin.
Putin, Putin.
Level 3 bag on me.
Got one.
I got guys on me.
Okay, coming. Direction.
I just heard them sneaking up behind me at 325, like northwest area. They stopped moving, so they're close.
Yeah.
I hear him
Got
moving
eyes on
again.
him? Okay, I got eyes on him. He's to your west. Oh, he's running away.
Yeah, I heard
Might be
that.
your bot.
Where'd he go?
Close to me. He did.
Alright.
What a real guy. Had a real name.
Yeah.
DJ.
Must have got lost along the way.
We got him. Not much rounds.
There's 45s in this building I'm in right now.
Okay. We got vert grip and some 9mm. I don't think that 9mm. You know,
Go for
Vector
it.
laying around is there.
I haven't seen one. I haven't got to loot much.
Which building had the 45? Cause I got 3 back up.
That first one I was just in, the one you just ran away from.
There's
There's 15 in here. You need 4x scope?
yeah, I'll give you 3. And then I'm dropping this and this.
There's 4 right there.
Okay, get that 4. Here's the 3. Gotta go back and finish. I ain't finished over here yet.
Yeah, me, I haven't finished over here either. I just heard that guy running up on me and didn't know where he was, what his intentions or any of that shit was.
Yeah, I think he heard you and he started running down the hill. But then he seen me, I think. He stopped and came back
I
around.
loaded up. Did he have a weapon?
Yeah, nothing really fancy though, just
Okay.
I got an AR comp for you.
Alright. Yeah, I ain't really working with much over here. I'm heading to you. Fuck balls. This sucks. Vehicle coming up on us.
Okay, hear him?
Car, yeah. Green cars went around the backside there.
They're thinking about stopping. They are circling. They're turning around. Nope, they're going down the hill.
I have shit for ammo right now.
Yeah, I know. I got 2 mags, and that's it. I should have kept my AK.
45's in this mug.
Is there?
Yeah. Right inside there. Big draw mag, couple level 2 backpacks.
Here's an AR comp.
Alright, yeah, I'll take that. I only got 30 fucking rounds though.
What do you got?
5.5.
Here, there's 30.
Thank you.
Alright, go.
Let's get to the cross and swim it probably. Another vehicle
Vehicle
here.
coming back. Sneak over here and check this bridge. Might be able to catch somebody off guard in this angle.
I have 0 fucking ammo, dude. I'm kind of fucked.
There's a green car going across now. Ouch. Alright, we're just storming the beaches. This town doesn't have a name, does it?
No, we can name it whatever the fuck we want, really. God damn it.
Jim?
Jim works for me. Dude, would you
going out. Okay, we gotta go all the way across the base.
It's alright, but we'll be starting here. This will be a good start. Fuck it, I guess I'll just run off this shit. I don't know what else to do. People might have already been on this. Way it looks anyway, there's not really any gear along the way. Found some 5.5, that's nice.
Yeah, there's more at the bottom level.
Level 3 bag on my side.
4 and more 5.
Or when you go down the steps on the opposite side, there's a fucking level 3 bag if you're
I
interested.
got one.
You need a 6x scope?
Yeah. Got 4.
Here. 6er. I'm good. Need a better helmet. Let's get out of
Okay,
here.
I got movement down here at the 160. Going into the one with the satellite dish, and there's still one in the building.
Oh, I
The
see
other
him, I
satellite
see him.
dish. So yeah, this building here with the red eye.
Yeah, I
And
seen
then-
it. There's another guy, there's another group
Yeah,
running up
crossed
on
away.
it, dude. Yeah. Yeah, out there on them barrels, there's a guy running at 170.
Yeah, I seen.
He's heading in.
Still ain't seen this guy come out of this building here.
And not me either.
Heard us up here or not. We gotta get out of here though.
Yeah,
I wanna be up here sitting ducks.
for sure. Lots of level 2 helmets and shit in here. Alright, fuck it. I was hoping to see some health right away, but we gotta go. Package dropping up there. SLR right here. I'm
Ooh.
gonna take it. I'm taking it, sorry. Actually, no, you can have it. I got comp and all kinds of shit for it. You can have.
Okay.
Picked the DP back up. There's extended mag for it, comp for it, cheek pad, flash.
Dropping an AR. Oh.
Yeah, I got one of those already. I'll stick to the stupid ass DP. My one fucking energy drink. Here we go.
Boosting, boosting. This is crazy, this is crazy.
Guy right here.
Got
Hurt?
him. There's 2. There is 2.
Got one down. Hurt. Got both of them. Got a heal. Where this fucking blue touches my ween hole.
Band-aids. All this dude had. 7s. They're struggling.
Yeah. A little 3 backpack on him. Alright, let's get out of here. Oh, I didn't check the other.
He just had ammunition. He had no health or nothing. 3 times scope.
Yeah, I'm gonna get killed out here in the wide open. Collider taking off.
Yeah. Could be guys, maybe open container here or something.
Yeah. Well, we can't stand out there in the open.
Stop shooting at me.
Thought I heard something close, but you're running around like a yahoo, so, and sound sucks on this shit anymore.
Guys running across the road now. Kind of where we were getting shot from, so they might be getting shot. Just shot him.
Another
That
glider
house.
right there. Yeah, I see him running out there. Ooh, he just ran across the due west. I don't have a suppressed one. I didn't take the shot, but we're gonna have to go soon.
There's a guy. Nailed him.
I don't know where you're shooting, so.
Yeah, 255. He's way out there. He's behind trees and everything. He's fighting the guy that we just run in.
Alright, well, I'm heading towards the fucking zone. To certain death, because we don't have a choice.
Basically on the other side of this hill is where I was shooting at.
I know, that's why I wish you
Okay,
would've
I
shot
see
the
the
shot.
guys back at the house too still.
Yeah, I know, they're everywhere. We're kinda
Picking up on them.
exposed and out in the open. We gotta get in.
Oh, there's a pack.
God, he got me down. Shoot him, motherfucking ass,
He's
dude.
dead.
Alright. God damn, how the fuck did he get me like that? I fucking... I shot the fuck out of it, dude. Yeah, enough so that I got an assist on him, but... Hope that dude's got some shit, because they done fuck my vest and helmet up.
Guys coming on you.
Coming on our faces. I love it.
Yeah, there was still a guy running back here, I thought.
Yeah, they're trying to go for that fucking pack, I think. Package. Gotta fucking get some of this health and shit. They're all dead on that shit. They're dead on that shit.
I just killed one. Killed two of them up there.
Up where?
At the 185 where all that gunfight was happening.
Oh, I was talking about these guys over here. I just watched them drop at the car. So we got guys right up ahead of us, 235 coming down the hill. You're long range, dude. God damn it. I'm gonna get fucked over here. Yeah, they're right now. He's leaning out. There we go. The other guy put shots on me. God damn it. Shoot the guy with one. I'm dead. I'm dying. Yep. Died. Grenade, grenade, grenade. Oh, they're flanking. Coming up. Boys got shots on you. Down him. That's all you gotta do is kill this motherfucker. Got your SLR out. Short range, short range. There you go. That's it.
Killed, baby.
That was actually fucking retarded. Dude, why?